Hey, what's going on, guys? What's happening, YouTube? You have tuned into Rules for Rebels. I finally got access to the Amazon merch beta uploader. Just wanted to give you guys kind of a sneak peek at what it looks like, what the process looks like. And it looks like they also rolled out V-necks, tank tops, and raglan t-shirts for me. So now we're able to upload all these products at once. And while I haven't had too much time to experiment with it, it looks like we can also upload to Germany and the UK at the same time as well. So I've only uploaded one test t-shirt so far. And what I'll say is this really does speed up the process. Merch was really tedious before. If you wanted to upload a shirt to a basic tee, a premium tee, and even say a hoodie or something like that, or a long sleeve tee, even just 3 products, you're having to upload your design, wait for Amazon to clock and upload it, then go to the next tab, which was selecting shirt colors, and if you want, men's, women's, or youth or whatever. Then you had to go on to the next page to write your titles, bullet points, and descriptions. And then once you finish that, you had to go through that entire process again for the premium tee. You had to go through the entire process again for the long sleeve tee. This is going to do it to all products at once. One other thing I'm kind of excited about this for, I had some weird glitch on my account where I could upload every product except for long sleeve tees, hoodies, and hoodies. Anytime I would try to upload these, I would get an error message, and it had been going on for a couple months like that. And I was kind of scared to reach out to Amazon support. I was like, you know what? I'm like, maybe they actually wanted to suspend my account, but they forgot to turn off all the products. They only turned off a couple products. So I was scared to reach out to support. I was like, whatever, I'm like, long sleeve tees, hoodies, and hoodies don't really sell that good anyways. Screw it. I'm just not even going to sell them. But now that this beta multi-uploader is up, I am able to upload to every product. As far as like things that I noticed, and I've seen other people comment on this, the V-neck looks like a pretty deep V. That's what she said. So the design seems to appear pretty low on the shirt. I think because of that, I may focus on designs that aren't taking up the whole artwork box, but maybe only the top, the top half, and try to put them up as high as possible, because I did notice it looked a little bit awkward putting like a giant design on a V-neck. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and upload real quick here. So we just selected our art file. This is probably going to clock a little bit longer than normal just because I am doing the screen recorder and everything at the same time. This actually isn't the shirt that I wanted to upload, but whatever. So this is kind of a design I threw together just for the sake of testing this out. We got Negril Jamaica with a pineapple pulling a thong up. The reason that it's not uploading to the hoodie is the front of the hoodies is one of 2 products, including the pop socket, that is a different file size. And for anyone who's kind of I realize a lot of people are upset about the rule about pop sockets. You're no longer allowed to say pop socket grip. I think part of that probably was due to too many people kind of abusing it and not using pop socket grip with the right capitalizations and in the proper way. Obviously, that's a trademark term. You got to use it a certain way. But I see why they don't want that. And I'm actually going to stop using words like t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, because think about this. Right now, what this beta upload process is like, I upload one design, it goes on all these products. So when I'm writing my description, if I call this a Negril Jamaica t-shirt, well, guess what? My description for the hoodie and the nudie and the tank top are also going to say Negril Jamaica t-shirt. So this is why Amazon only wants us describing the design, because as they continue to roll out more products into the beta uploader, and I wouldn't be surprised if eventually pop sockets make their way over here to the beta uploader as well. But as they start to roll out more products, if you're putting words like t-shirt, hoodie, whatever, and then they're applying your design to multiple products, it's not going to make sense, because hoodies are going to be saying t-shirts and things like that. So that's kind of the reason for that. If I wanted to edit individual products, I could click and go into any of these individual ones. If we click select products here, we can upload to all these products at once, as well as .co.uk. And I've been unselecting Germany just because I don't feel like, I don't really sell t-shirts in Germany. So I'm not going to go over here and write a German bullet points, titles, and description as well. Also, they always say we strongly recommend you write, I'm not going to waste the time translating my shirts either. So We'll call this, Negril Jamaica t-shirt. Fun vacation themed dance hall, Negril Jamaica design. Oh, actually, we shouldn't say t-shirt, right? We need to say design. Key product features: great to wear on the beach or to the dance club. If you love reggae music, tropical drinks, and Jamaican ladies, you'll love this one. Great souvenir gift for friends or family. Great for people who love swimming, paddleboarding, sailing, and boating in the Caribbean. I think I'm spelling Caribbean wrong. And for the description, I'm just kind of throwing this together here. One other just kind of little piece of commentary. I actually use Merch Buddy, which is a copy paste tool that used to allow you to copy and paste your titles, bullet points, descriptions. It would also save t-shirt colors that you selected. And up until this came out, it would really speed up the upload process. I haven't checked to see if it still works, but I don't believe it's, typically whenever merch changes the upload process, it kind of throws off those applications or those extensions. But also, I suppose there's still some value in copying and pasting your titles, bullet points, and descriptions, because the longest part of this was, typing that in. And if I'm going to make 50 baseball shirts in a row, it would be helpful just to copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. But as far as I know, all the tools like Merch Buddy or Merch Lister Pro, those have kind of stopped working, at least temporarily. Once everyone kind of gets access to the beta uploader and once they kind of figure out how to make their software work with it, I wouldn't be surprised if those come back online and start working. But this has kind of thrown off some of those programs. But you guys can see how easy this is. One upload clocks for a couple seconds, and then I'm able to upload to all these products at once. So really cool, really kind of pretty impressed with this tool, and it'll be interesting to see what new products come down the line and kind of what else gets added onto here. Is it going to be throw pillows, shower curtains, phone cases, stickers? I'll be curious to see that. So let me know what you guys think about this. Check if you have the beta uploader as well. I'm tier 4000. Just last night I got the beta uploader along with raglans, tanks, and v-necks. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button on down below. And until next time, guys, Rules for Rebels signing out.